Welcome to your math class. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020, and today in our math class we're going to continue working with page 47. Yesterday we started working with some exercises on the exercise number 1 about the write the products. So we're going to continue today with the same thing. So today we are going to continue working on the same page 47. Here I have solved the story. So here we have two story problems that we have to solve. We are going to read the number 1, the letter A. Ethan collects baseball cards. Last year he had 23 cards. This year, now, he has 2 times as many. So, how many cards does he have? So, Ethan had first 23 cards last year. So, now he have 2 times more. So, we're going to multiply 23 times 2. 23 times 2. Yes, 2 times 23. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, as a result, we have 46 cards because it is twice. 2 times. Now, letter B. Zoe and Connor are decorating cookies. They have 3 trays of cookies with 9 cookies on each tray. How many cookies do they have? So first we are going to write the amount of trays that we have. So we have 3 trays. And how many cookies do we have in each tray? 9. So we're going to multiply 9 times 3 times 9. 3 times 9 because we have 3 trays. 3 trays with 9 cookies. So as a result, we are going to have 27. So we have 27 cookies. Now, the next exercise. Multiply by 4. Exercise number 3 on the same page. So you're going to multiply each one of the numbers that I have here by 4. If you need help, here I have the table of 4. So you can remember when it is necessary the table. So let's start. 6 times 4, how much is it? You can go and check the table. And 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So we are going to write here 24. Letter B. 9 times 4, how much is it? 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So you're going to write there 36. Then you're going to do the same with the rest of the numbers. 8 times 4, how much is it? 32, right? So we are going to write 32. Then on letter D, we have 48. On letter E, we have 28. On letter F, we have 16. On letter G, we have 40. On letter H, we have 20. Letter I, we have 44. On letter J, we have 12. So, what you have to do is, if you don't remember the table, you go and look the table. Or also, you can use your fingers to count how many times 4 4 is in each one of those numbers. I hope you understood. See you until next class. Blessings from the Lord. Hugs and kisses.